Let's talk about your morning routine as a leader. I speak at a lot of leadership conferences, and I'm in the hotel and I'm walking to the banquet room, and I can hear CNN blaring on the TVs in the rooms as I pass. And I think that is not the most positive way to start your day. I understand you need to know what's going on in the world, some of you for your work, but I don't think we need hours and hours and hours of it. A peaceful morning routine has been part of my mantra for a very long time. So, what do you do in the morning? Do you roll over and doom scroll? Do you create a morning routine that is peaceful for you so that you are grounded and centered before you even get to work? I heard Jay Shetty say the other day that would you let 100 people in your room when you woke up? No. And by doom scrolling, I think we do that. So let's take a moment now. Think about your morning routine and what could you do as a leader to create it to be a little bit more peaceful and grounded so you show up for those that you lead in a different way.